Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I am showing a finished item that I have knit, a plus size bridal shrug with 100% Angora rabbit yarn for the month of November 2022. It's a custom measurements as the sleeves are big for me. She wanted 3/4 sleeves, but she wanted a little bit longer so she can pull it, I guess. It's not long sleeve, just to want to point out. It's 3/4 sleeves and it's done in one piece. It's a little bit small for me on this side, but it's supposed to be open for bridal shrugs that I knit. Really busy. It's really windy. I still have to lose this. It's not easy, but I'm trying my best. Yeah. And the collar, I did not increase on here because when I knit a plus size, it doesn't look good. So due to that, I did not do increases on this side. So I made it straight. So being a plus size, you need to work on it, right? So I made this adjustment and I did different techniques, and I have all of them on my tutorials. Oh, it's windy. And I did, this part is about 18 inches around the fattest part of the sleeve, and I did do decreases every 6 rows, and I did the tubular bind off. If you look at it, a lot of techniques, a lot of work. Took me 7 days non-stop. I was up till 4 a.m. to finish this custom order. It's going to fly to the USA. And I just love it how it turned out. So I hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye. Isn't this beautiful? And it's so warm, even it's cold outside. It is pretty warm.